Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to map for the first time with the eufy E25 robot vacuum and mop. If you're interested in the E25, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we have our station set up exactly where we want it in our house. We've opened up all the doors to the rooms that we want mapped, and we've made sure that the floor is nice and clean and tidy. We're going to enter into our robot vac from the eufy app, and after initial setup, this is exactly what our screen looked like. Now, there's no option. Maybe you have an option to create a first map, something like that. We don't have that option right here. So, top right-hand corner, hit the settings gear icon. And we're going to go down to manage map. I've toggled on multi-map saving. If you have multiple floors, you can enable or disable this feature. But say you want to take it upstairs, downstairs, you get the idea. But we want to hit this mapping button, the big blue mapping. It gives us mapping tips. So again, make sure you tidy everything up, prep your rooms, keep all the doors open for the environment that it's in. Then we're going to select get started. And now we just wait. It'll take a couple of minutes for the vacuum to conduct its mapping as it drives around your house, and then it'll make its way back to the station. It'll go back into the station, and then it'll populate the map for you. So right now it's currently mapping. You can see in real time this cool breakdown right here as it's departing the station. Very cool, very neat. Now we just sit back, we relax, and we wait. All right, mapping is finished. It took 4 minutes for this environment. It's currently heading home. It's almost back at the dock right there. So take a look at the graphic. You can see how it's positioning itself to make its way back. But this took us 4 minutes to populate this map. Look at how cool it looks too. Really, really neat. So simple and straightforward for it to map for us. We got multiple rooms. Everything looks really nice. As I look at room 3, so keep in mind this is actually a staircase. So it can't drive down there, but it was able to still map that far down. So I like seeing that. But there we go. Our map has now been populated, and you'll notice right-hand center of the screen, we have this edit map option. So now it takes us into our map editor, and we have 2 tabs, map editor or map display. We can do 2D or 3D viewing, and then we can toggle on or off different objects that we want displayed on our map or not. And then here's what we can do. We can merge, divide, rename, add no-go zones, carpet settings, add furniture, or just floor material. We can do all that within the map editor, but simple, straightforward to map your house. If it's the size that you're seeing here, it only took us 4 minutes, so very quick and efficient mapping depending on the size of your environment in your home.